How's it going, guys? This is Kevin with Pacifica Tiny Homes. Today we're going to be showing you guys a model, and this model is our 10-foot wide. The majority of our tiny homes are 8 feet and 4 inches wide, but if you want to have more of that space, you can definitely go 2 feet wider, and that would be a park model. Like this house right here, this tiny home, our customer decided to upgrade and go more wider because they wanted to feel more, give it more space. They wanted more space in their tiny house. The 8-foot wide is definitely nice and spacious, but if you want to have that extra space, go ahead and go with a 10-foot wide. And we're going to be breaking down how much space you can accumulate in this tiny house and how good it feels to be, owning a 10-foot wide. So let's go here and check out our tiny house interior right now. Here at Pacifica Tiny Homes, you have a lot of space to be creative. So when you see our tiny houses, I don't want you guys to think this is all we offer. No, we also customize for our customer. So we can definitely accommodate. Just like our customer accommodated in their tiny house, they added a secondary loft. Their secondary loft is 10 foot wide and 6 feet and 5 inches, I believe, in length. So it can fit up a queen size mattress up top at ease. So they can have a sleeping quarters on top, and as you can see right here, they have that French railing for stability and for safe reasons. And they also went with tubular stainless matte black, I believe, rungs on the wall. So that's the option they went with. You can go with those, or you can also go with a ladder as well. It's personal preference. Right here at the secondary loft is a lot of space right here. They added a open window right here. It's up to you if you want to add this open window. You can see right there, it opens, it closes, double pane. You definitely have your bay window as well, and then you can definitely go with a love seat or a retrofitted sofa bed, or if you want your own couch, you can kind of retrofit it right here with a little coffee table right here as well. Coffee table or dining table, or small little dining table, I believe, the ones that are like knee length. You can also put a TV right here, and the great thing about this right here is that you can fit at least a 65-inch TV if it's your own personal TV, or you can go with our standard 32-inch. But when you have all this space, I would highly recommend going with a bigger TV. Took me like 3 seconds. But anyways, I'm here in the secondary loft. What I like about the loft is that you can hang out right here, talk to your friends, talk to your buddies. You got your French railing, good stable bars right here. I'm 220 pounds and I was able to climb this like nothing at ease. You got your open window right here. You got a beautiful view outside. You got your other window right there, and you got this enclosed area right there. So if you have any guests, you can always make sure you can stay in my secondary loft. How cool is that to say, hey, you want to come over? Yeah, I'm down. Yeah, you can stay up there, but I got a room up there. Where? Secondary loft. Okay, sure. Our customer decided to upgrade their fan. This is the coolest fan I've ever seen. Okay, wanna know why? It has a speaker. It's Bluetooth operated with the LED halo light and a wooden paddle. So that's the cool thing about it. The wooden fins, 3 wooden fins to give it that modern look, give it that nice scissory spiral feel, and a speaker. I mean, that's pretty cool for me. That's a pretty futuristic modifications you can do now. Next thing you know, the floor is gonna have their own speakers. Who knows? Also wanna let you guys know too, the Sinville Eco Series is also standard in your home. I wanna go in depth in this beautiful kitchen. Definitely some great craftsmanship and artwork. You can also have this kitchen as well, but you can also do it in your own touch. Our customer decided to go with a marble 11-foot countertop. This right here is absolutely beautiful. It's nice. It has your little backsplash right there as well. to complement your shiplap and your countertop. They also did something very cool and interesting. As you can see right here, they created their own little island and had some cabinet space underneath as well, just to give you that extra space for your belongings and for your kitchenware and all that stuff. So that's a pretty cool feature that, not pretty much feature, but a little customization that our customer did. And you can see as well, they finished it up with nice black handles for their drawers and their countertops. In electric induction cooktop, it really complements the sleek look of the 11-foot marble countertop. It's a beautiful gaze. I love this color. It's the white and a little bit of, you see those accents right there? It's just absolutely luxurious. And on top of that, you have this nice double pane window, this swivel matte black, or is it satin black water for your dishes. You can wash it right there. It's just really nice. And then look at this mesh right here. You also have this type of mesh, so therefore you can move it around easily compared to the others. This one's just very simplex. I love it. And also too, they also went with this dishwasher right here. Look at this dishwasher. It's so simple to pull it out, get your dirty dishes. Look at that. It goes by itself inside. Look at that. Pretty cool feature, isn't it? But yeah, they also added some more space underneath right here under the dishwasher. So they utilize their space. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 locations where you can put all your kitchen. If you like to cook, this is the best upgrade you can do for your tiny house. Our standard, I believe, is 8 feet or 7 feet counter space, but this one's definitely the best if you want to do some cooking. If you like culinary, this is one of the best upgrades we highly recommend doing. Okay, guys. So if you want to upgrade your range hood, you can definitely upgrade as well. If you have one in particular that you like, we can definitely do that for you as well. Our standard one has a filter, so if you see like, hey, it's not vented, it's pretty much a self-vented vent. Okay, so you can definitely upgrade it if you want to upgrade it and add some storage space on top as well. You can get creative with what you want in your home, like I've always mentioned. But this one's actually really legit. It has the LED lights right here, so if you can have that light, that exquisite light when you're cooking. I mean, that's just crispy right there. And on this side of the tiny house, you see all our tiny homes that we have our staircases on one of the sides. It doesn't matter, you can flip and switch. But the one cool thing that we created in the tiny house world is the storage space. We try to accommodate, and look at all this storage space that we have. You can do so much with this storage space right here. So this is a really cool feature about it as well. And all our tiny homes that we come standard, actually, is a standard. It's not an upgrade. Every home comes with a lot of storage space, and also for you to some pipe railing for you can be able to hang your clothes as well if you have a majority of clothes. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 closets, all in one space. I mean, I think that's pretty cool. I think that's utilizing your things and making sure everything is well and nice and organized. And if you want to add more space and you have more space in the tiny house, especially with a 10-foot wide, you can definitely do more than that. But I want you guys to check out this right here. The French railing is one of the luxurious, beautiful look that complements this tiny house. These little things right here, nice and tight, making sure you have that stability, mobility when you're going up into your loft. And that's a pretty cool feature that I wanted to show you guys on this side right here. But there's a lot of features here that we're going to be breaking down. So also I wanted you guys to see this right here. One of the very cool things that I love about tiny house living is that you have a kitchen, you have a closet, and you also have your laundry room right next to each other. You can have it in the way you'd want it, and it's pretty cool because this little area right here is going to be for washer and dryer. And it has all the bibs right there for the hot and cold water, and it also has this little venting circulation right there for everything can be vented out. So it's a cool utilities for your washer and dryer, and also you have your connections, your outlets right there. I mean, that's pretty cool. You have we utilize our space, your laundry room, your closet space, and your kitchen area. And don't forget, we have a little open space right here. This little open space can be for a full-size refrigerator if that's what our customer wants to do. That area can be a full-size refrigerator, or you can also accommodate and do your own type of little hutch. But since there's no refrigerator in this home, I'm pretty sure they're gonna go with a full size. So a lot of our customers always tells us that they don't really like our standard sink, but you have the option to upgrade into a full size sink. This is very nice right here. It gives the bathroom more of a pop. But the best way to be able to actually put a full size sink and vanity is to go wider in your bathroom, especially when you have a 32 foot up to 30 feet in length of a tiny house and 10 foot wide. You can definitely go longer in your bathroom. You can go up to 5 feet. This one particular is 4 feet in length. It also has your medicine cabinet. Look at this right here. LED lights on the side. So it'll have LED lights on the side of this vanity right here. So this is an actual upgraded vanity. So it has an upgraded vanity, and it also has a upgraded sink with divided space right here, which is pretty cool. Look at that. Very simple, very nice. I love it. This home has a lot of cool features, honestly. It has a disc rainfall with jets. So therefore you have a good, nice shower. It has some nice handles right here. It tells you when to turn on your jets for your rainfall shower. And it has, of course, your hot and cold. And also, a cool thing about it is if you want to opt out of that and you want to do more of a body wash, you have this little handle right here that you can adjust your settings as well. But this space right here, I mean, wow! I feel like I'm in a. This is actually pretty cool. I'm not a very tall guy. I'm only like 5'11", but I feel really great in here, honestly, because the height of all our tiny home bathrooms are 6 feet and 5 inches. Okay. 6'5". That's the length from the bottom of the floor all the way to the ceiling of the loft, main loft. Okay, even the primary loft. You can definitely adjust it a couple inches up or down as well. But this one right here, I believe they didn't do it because they did a little hallway walkthrough, not hallway, but walkthrough and through the loft. So it's pretty cool. It's like a drop down side loft, not side loft, but you'll see it right now. If I can show you guys, I don't want to be redundant. But yeah, it's tiled inside, I believe. It's nice and carved. It has a little section where you can put your shampoos. The floor is so nice. It has your drainage right there as well. So everything here is pretty cool. And you also have a really cool glass door that is pretty clean. I mean, look at that. It's so easy to just open and close. That's what we can do here in Pacifica. A cool thing I wanted to mention too, well, there's a whole bunch of cool things, but what I want to show you guys is this cool UVC cover and EcoFlow composting toilet. I mean, me necessarily, I'm not a composting guy. I would rather go to flushable. That's where usually what standard comes with our tiny houses. But if our customer has an option to go with a composting toilet or an incinerating, the one thing that we get a lot from a lot of individuals is that, can I choose the composting toilet that I want or incinerating toilet that I would want? Yes, you can. There's no just a couple of options. You can choose the option you would want, and we will pretty much just charge you for installation. So we'll figure out the installation for you if you have, the right one that you want. You're doing your diligence when it comes to finding the right composting toilet or incinerating toilet for you. And then if it's your description of what you want, then we can install it for you. You just let us know, hey, I found this cool brand. I like it. I want to buy it. Can I, buy it and then send it to your warehouse? Can you install it for us? And we'll be like, yeah, we'll install it for you. We have done it so many times. So as you see more of our videos and you check out more of our videos, you'll be able to see what we are able to do. And that's why I want to go into details that every tiny house that we build has the same standard layout, but it can be adjusted and it can be upgraded. You can do so many things that we can do for your tiny house, and it will not break the bank. Honestly, we give you the most affordable, quality built tiny houses in this country. Okay, that's why we're known for it, and that's what we're going to continue to keep doing. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the main category. All right, guys, go ahead and follow me to the standing loft and come check out this Wow, beautiful space right here. Come check it out. All right, guys, so we're here chilling in the main bedroom. Nah, well, people consider this a main bedroom, honestly. It depends on the individual, like I do mention. Every tiny house fits the description of our customer. You know, our customer decided to go with a standing loft. And as you can see right here, it does feel like it's more elevated, more upward towards the roof. So it gives you an illusion of like, kind of like a bedroom sort of way. Kind of like a bedroom, I'm not sure. It gives me an illusion. It makes me feel very spacious. It makes me feel like this is my private area. So that's how a room should make you feel. The good thing about it is that it has two windows. It has your double pane cyclops window. I call it the cyclops. And you have your open window right there. It's the egress window, I believe. That's the egress window for the exit. You know, just in case anything does happen. And you also have a beautiful skylight. Look at that skylight. That skylight does open as well. It's vented, so you can definitely, you know, be able to see the outside or open for like, you know, air circulation. And the cool thing about it is that they added a privacy shelf. This right here, they usually consider it a bookshelf, but I mean, it's pretty deep. You can put your books, of course, but you can also, you know, be creative and put some of your clothes or put your collections or whatever you want to put there. Honestly, that's the space. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 open spaces for you to be able to, you know, add your belongings. So it's really nice in here. It can fit a what do you think will fit right here? Most likely, queen size mattress would fit here. Normally, since you are missing this little extra space, you can add maybe a king size mattress on your primary loft, but you have the bookshelf, you have the standing loft. This could definitely fit a queen size mattress. So always remember, if you guys want to call us or talk more about what we offer, here in Pacifica Tiny Homes, we offer a leverage amount of things, okay? Don't be shy, let us know. Please like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out our TikToks, our YouTube shorts, our Instagram stories. We're posting every day for you guys to be able to see what we do here in Pacifica Tiny Homes, the smiles that we give to our customers, to our followers, to our subscribers. You want a free tiny house? Go ahead and become part of our fan page. We have a couple of people on there. We need 100 people in our fan club, Pacifica Tiny Homes fan club. Keep you guys updated on our social media accounts. We're the only first ones to be doing that. You know, giving out a free, not one, but 3 free tiny homes. You know, that's something that I would happily be on top of that. You know, it's a tiny house. Who wouldn't want that? But yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. If you guys have any questions or, you know, you want to see something different, let us know. We'll be more than happy to assist you guys. All right, guys? Peace out. Y'all have a great weekend.